Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Itogo Churches Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys steps I took in designing this LV SAC PLAT bag. If this sounds like something you're interested in, without further ado, let's get started. The material I'm working with is a Louis Vuitton material, and I've already cut out the front and back of this bag. The length I cut out is 10 inches and the width is 9 inches. I'm going to turn the wrong face of this leather. The four corner of this leather, I'm going to mark in 1 inches. This 1 inches I'm marking in is when I fold it inside, it will make the edge of the bag neat. The next step I'll take is to cut out a material that I'll use to add the ring in front of the bag. I'm working with a plain black material for it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut out a small part of this black leather material and use to draft out the pattern. So after using it to draft out the pattern, I'll use it to trace out the remaining 4 parts. And the shape I'm cutting out, this is just like a pyramid shape. Just watch carefully how I drafted the stuff. If you can trace out a pyramid shape, this part shouldn't be a difficult part for you. After cutting it out, this is how it looks. So this remaining one, I'll use it as a pattern. So if I want to draft out something like this again, I can use it. I only need 4 for this, 2 for the front and 2 for the back. And the ring I'm working with is this half circle ring. So what I'm going to do now is to pass the material through this ring, but before that I am going to mark out those lines, this upper line, which is the 1 inches I came down by. I'm going to mark it at this front. So after marking the 1 inches, I'm going to, from the line of the 1 inches, I'll mark down half an inch as well. From the line I mark half an inch is where I'll start placing the ring at, and also at the both side of this bag I'm going to come in by half an inch. So you guys watch carefully the measurement I'm taking. After stitching the material for the ring holder to the bag, this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do next, I've already cut out the lining for the front and back of this bag. And when cutting out the lining, not that equal with the bag. So you can see how my own is. So I'm going to use my gum. The gum I'm working with is this top bond. I'm going to use my gum to gum the lining slightly, like just like this, to the bag. So right now I'm going to be folding the leather using the 1 inches I measured before. So I'm going to go right on my sewing machine and top stitch. If you hold it, you just top stitch. So for the side, I won't work with 1 inches again. For the folding, I'll work with half inches, so that there will be allowance when adding the side of the bag, because if I fold it by 1 inches, there won't be any allowance and it will be very close to this material I use in adding the ring. After working on the front and back of the bag, this is how it looks. I also did the same thing to the side and base of this bag. So guys, for the long handle of this bag, I'm going to be sharing it with this nano LV bag that I designed, and I'll be uploading the YouTube tutorial for it on this channel soon. So the length of this handle, let me say, is about 25 inches that I measured for the length. So I'll be sharing it with this SAC PLAT bag if I need to work with the long handle, but if I don't want to work with a bulk handle, I just work with the small handle. So guys, these are steps I took in designing this SAC PLAT LV bag. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post new video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.